In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ClickUp automations for status changes. This is a simple and effective way to save time inside ClickUp, especially if you want tasks to be reassigned automatically when they move to a specific stage in your workflow. Instead of manually updating tasks every time a status changes, you can let ClickUp handle it for you in just a few clicks. To get started, open the ClickUp list where you want the automation to run. This is important because automations are created at the location you choose, so make sure you're inside the correct list before you continue. Once you're in the right list, go to the upper right corner and click the Automations icon. This opens the Automation panel, where you can view existing automations or create a new one for that list. Next, look for the section labeled Other Automations and click Create Automation. This will open the automation builder where you can define the exact rule you want ClickUp to follow. Now enter a name in the field called Name this automation rule. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. This is especially helpful if you plan to create multiple automations for different status changes or actions. After naming the rule, set the trigger to status changed. The trigger tells ClickUp what event should start the automation. And in this case, the event is any task status update. Then choose the specific status change. Under From, select any status. Under To, choose the status you want to monitor, such as In Review. This means the automation will run whenever a task moves from any status into In Review. Next, set the action to update assignees. This tells ClickUp what should happen after the status change occurs. In this workflow, the task will automatically be reassigned. After that, choose the team member who should receive the task when its status changes to In Review. Make sure you select the correct person for that stage of your process so the handoff happens smoothly and nothing gets missed. Before finishing, take a moment to review the rule. Confirm that the trigger, status change, action and assignee are all correct. Once everything looks good, click Create to activate the automation. And that's it. Your ClickUp automation is now ready to automatically update assignees whenever a task reaches the selected status. This can make your workflow more organized, reduce manual work, and help your team respond faster to task progress. Thanks for watching.